In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again, and this time select font style over here. Now you can click on Classic Font if you wish to apply this one. Hit apply at the bottom and wait. Or if you want to try something more interesting than this classic font, you can go back to the same settings and tap on Download More at the bottom. Then pick a perfect one for you, click on it, choose Download, and when it's ready, hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, style of my font has changed again. If you want to go back to your default font style, go into Devices Settings again, scroll down, choose Display and Brightness, scroll again to hit Font Style, tap on Default under System Fonts, and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!